Hello everyone and welcome to the digital service session of the 2021 Huawei Industrial Digital Transformation Conference. During this session, you will hear about how services can help industries accelerate and maximize the benefit from their digital transformation. Our first speaker is Mr. Hua Shuang. Mr. Hua is the Vice President of the Huawei Enterprise Digital Service Department. He will share with us how services can help in digital transformation. Welcome, Mr. Hua.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Huawei Digital Transformation Forum. I'm very glad to give the speech to all our customers and partners. 2020 is definitely an important year in ICT industry. Challenges and opportunities are happening in the same time. Thanks to our customer and partner trust, Huawei Enterprise Service business keeps steady and fast growing in this year. It's encouraged for us to keep providing leading professional service to accelerate digital transformation in industries. Just like a dream of flying for human beings, people who lived 150 years before cannot imagine nowadays we already can reach Moon and Mars. This huge change is caused by continuous technical evolution and supported by human progress spirit. The same thing is happening again. Digital transformation is coming for every industry and changing our daily life. From online shopping to online taxi, from popularity of takeaways to large-scale online teaching, digital is changing our life day by day. It really brings great confidence to us. It's hard to imagine that without digitalization, how we are in 2020. Look back to ICT industry. Enterprise digital transformation has gone through by three phases. One, IT craftsmanship. IT craftsmanship was marked by fragmented automation and innovation, with frequent issues affecting the outputs and outcomes. Engagement with the wider business was low, with isolation and disengagement both internally and externally. Governments was just purely technique-centric. 2. IT industrialization. IT industrialization moves beyond this to emphasize services and solutions, efficiency and effectiveness. Business engagement improved and became less isolated, but was directive and compliance-driven. Governments was less strategic, more centered out, and control-oriented. It's still a passive process. 3. The third evolution phase calls for another step change in portraying. Outcomes and outputs need to focus on business and operation model transformation. Engagement with the wider business must be dynamic and collaborative, risk-aware but not risk-averse. Now, we already entered the third phase, digitalization. Governments for digitalization has to end-to-end. It's adaptive, platform-oriented, and trust-based. Instead of just focusing on technology or process, we need to change our focus point back to products, people, and outcome. Meanwhile, we found that most of the enterprises accelerated their digital transformation strategy after the COVID-19 pandemic. 56% of enterprises increased their digital transformation investment, and 58% speed up digital transformation projects, and 62% increased priority level of digital transformation. So, digital transformation is a trend in our times. Currently, digital transformation faces on three challenges. 1. Model innovation. 2. Efficiency improvement. 3. And better experience. Model innovation requires enterprises to be more open, provide more competitive business models, and have powerful ecosystem capabilities. In terms of efficiency improvement, it needs to focus on core operation capability, which has become the key to the success of digital transformation. Finally, user experience improvement is the key to customer choice providers. Only better user experience can attract more users and increase the revenue. How Huawei to do for customer to overcome the challenges, keep providing trustworthy and reliable services, focus on business outcome, and create the local technique ecosystem are our answer. Centering on customer success, we have rooted in local industries in past 20 years and integrate with the best service ecosystem. In addition, Huawei provides the customers with trustworthy and reliable service solution based on years of industry and Huawei best practice in digital transformation, covering full lifecycle services such as strategy planning, deployment, implementation, and O&M. In this way, Huawei achieves effective value capture and makes business contribution to customers. In addition, Huawei adopts digital technologies to help customers accelerate digital business transformation, reshape business model, promote continuous business innovation and operation, and enable digital technology to benefit various industries. More than one-third of the population on the Earth is using Huawei solutions and services now, and to enjoy the convenience and the efficiency in working and daily life. And it drives economics and business development for industries. The roles for ICT system has changed from support system to production-oriented systems, and its focus on digital delivery requirements has shifted from infrastructure to digital application scenarios and services. Based on that, Huawei performance transformation from three aspects. 1. Innovate delivery model. 2. Build an intelligent delivery platform such as ESDP, which features unified operation of customer, partners, and Huawei based on high-level collaboration. 3. Support high-quality delivery worldwide. It's already involved of more than 5,000 global partners. In 2020, Huawei implemented digital delivery on more than 100 industry scenarios, fulfilled more than 130,000 projects, and provided emergency support for delivery 132 projects during the pandemic in 67 countries. In the pandemic, an European customer needs to expand their capacity, and they found Huawei to help. In Huawei team, normally capacity expansion involves multi-phases, such as detailed survey on the network information and equipment and configuration, solution confirmation, logistics, and even the equipment installation and commissioning. Therefore, it usually takes several weeks. But after Huawei received the emergency support requirements from a customer, how Huawei to do? Huawei immediately to set up a dedicated capacity expansion team and deliver equipment within just 10 hours. Besides that, it takes only 10 hours from equipment arrival and commissioning to service rollout. So, trustworthiness and reliability are not from words. They come from strong technique, digital tools and platform, and most important, they are from customer-centric and from your heart. As digital services are widely promoted, challenges are posed on stable network and service operations. Traditional O&M, targeting at network equipment only, cannot help customer meet the challenge while digital O&M focus on service quality and user experience. Huawei has built global service branches to quickly provide technical support and spare parts service to customers. There's some facts. Huawei has established 3 GSC and 5 techs and support more than 15 languages. 2. More than 80% of technical support requests and inquiry is solved by Huawei online Q&A robot. 3. There are more than 1,000 spare parts centers allocated in cities and countries and regions, and we can provide up to 4-hour spare parts service delivery within more than 60 countries and regions. Based on the basic assurance and the intelligent O&M platform, Huawei facilitated the transformation from connection-oriented O&M to service awareness and user experience-oriented O&M. We deploy unified and efficient digital O&M to massive projects. It's already deployed more than 100 customer operation centers and deployed confidence and efficiency during the digital transformation. Even faced a very hard challenge in 2020, Huawei still invested more effort and resources and realized zero major accident and increased the rate of issue resolved within 24 hours by 1.6% and increased spare parts delivery rate on time more than 0.7%. And even we deliver more than 26,000 spare parts by chartered flights for emergency response during the pandemic to 15 countries. So we believe O&M effectiveness improvement can assure digital transformation, investment, and effectiveness. Service is the key to make a vertical solution to the business outcome. Huawei Service dedicates to industry solution innovation. Huawei has been committed to innovative application of industry solutions. We have 36 joint innovation centers around the world, and working with customers and our partners to develop and build innovative industry solutions. Currently, Huawei has participated in over 400 standard organizations, industry alliance, and open source communities, leading over 170 industry standards and over 1,400 value solution partners covering finance, public sector, transportation, energy, and manufacturing industries. With the help of AI technology and solutions, we help Shenzhen Airport to improve security check efficiency by more than 60%. In the financial industry, Huawei helps to fund 170 million of fraud data within just 5 minutes, greatly improving the security of the financial industry. In the medical industry, medical image screening is implemented just in seconds. In manufacture, we have helped steel mines to improve the accuracy of product testing by more than 80%. Due to our investment in industry solution innovation, 253 of the world's Fortune top 500 customers choose Huawei as their digital transformation partner. Talent is always an important guarantee for digital transformation. Industry digital transformation calls for more qualified talents. Huawei has innovated a series of digital training and certification courses for industry digitalization, covering the financial industry, enterprise intelligence, and intelligent terminals to update technologies and knowledge. To assure service continuity of training and certification during the pandemic, Huawei has deployed innovative training and certification models. It's including vertical classroom, remote hands-on lab, and contactless certifications, and constructs a one-step intelligent learning platform and cultivate digital talent without only technical knowledge, but also application capability. During the pandemic in 2020, Huawei customized courses for customers and hold on more than 2,000 online classes, and helped more than 140,000 people to pass Huawei certification. This certification number even increasing more than 86% than last year. This also shows customers' trust for Huawei services. In this year, we will continue to increase our investment with an annual investment of over $400 million to build a world-leading service network, develop a full lifecycle service solutions to customer business success, and deploy a full-stack intelligent service tools and platform to lead digital transformation of the industry. We will always stand here. We will always stand with our customer, with partners to provide the trustworthiness and reliability, and help customers to achieve success of digital transformation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hua, for your very valuable insights. Next, I would like to introduce Mr. Hank Stockbrook, who is the Senior Advisor of the Huawei Enterprise Digital Service Department. Hank will share with us how Huawei full lifecycle services boost digital transformation of industries. Welcome, Hank.
Hi, thank you for joining this presentation. While many organizations are embarking on a digital transformation journey, the outcome is not always certain. Neither is the benefit that can be achieved from this digital transformation. Due to a lack of experience, some organizations will struggle to successfully complete their digital transformation. Huawei Digital Services has the experience, and in this presentation, I will show you what we offer our customers to help them successfully complete their digital transformation and reach their long-term objectives. With the introduction of new technologies such as cloud, big data, and artificial intelligence, the digital possibilities for business have increased significantly. Enterprises are innovating with these technologies to transform processes and create a better digital customer experience. Meanwhile, service companies also need to transform their capabilities in order to meet the digital customer requirements. In the past, the focus of service companies was on supporting devices, but today the focus needs to be on services, applications, and value. In order to close the gap, service organizations need to leverage digital technologies to enhance their capabilities and continue to meet the customer expectations. Service organizations need to innovate and use digital transformation to keep up with the customer evolution. In the next few slides, I will show you how Huawei Digital Services uses innovative digital technology to exceed the customer requirements. Customers' success is the focus of everything we do in digital services. Every change or innovation needs to provide benefit to our customers and help them achieve business success. This also applies to our digital transformation services, which we deliver together with our partner ecosystem. Especially relevant are our Certified Service Solution Partners, or CSSPs, who provide an industry service solution that includes the infrastructure, data platform, applications, and services. The service portfolio provides full lifecycle services, from consulting to integration to operation and training. The scope of the service solutions include the infrastructure, platform, data, and business services, providing customers a one-stop shop for their digital transformation. In the next few slides, we will look at specific components of each of these services and how they help customers accelerate their business transformation. These services are built upon our global service platform that consists of the global service centers, open labs, and Service Turbo Cloud. The global service centers provide 24/7 remote support, remote management, and remote engineering services. The open labs can be used for pre-integration verification, testing, interoperability and implementation planning, and preparation. The Service Turbo Cloud is our online platform with tools and automation for various parts of the service lifecycle. Now, let's first look at our digital transformation consulting services. Every customer is different, and therefore every digital transformation is different. While there are broad similarities, there are also important differences between the objectives and expected outcomes for digital transformation between entire industries and individual customers. A successful digital transformation starts with a detailed understanding of the specific customer requirements, capabilities, limitations, and expectations. We have a team of over 200 digital transformation consultants who work with customers to develop a specific digital transformation strategy. Their experience comes from more than 500 digital transformation projects we have already completed globally, but also from the past 20 years during which Huawei itself has gone through a significant transformation. This internal digital transformation has enabled our incredible growth, globalization, and innovation, and gave us very valuable experience which we now share with our customers and partners. A team of over 3,000 digital transformation experts continuously develop best practices which can be leveraged by our customers and partners, and which the consultants use to help industry customers achieve business success. Because there are significant differences between industries, these consulting services have been designed to address the needs of specific vertical industries, such as transportation, energy, government, etc. The data center has been the center of data processing and storage for a very long time. But in spite of the long experience, data centers still have several challenges. For instance, building a new data center can typically take multiple years. Operating a data center is often expensive due to the high power consumption and the increased cost of the manpower needed to manage and maintain a data center. Our data center integration service aims to solve these challenges in multiple ways. To reduce the data center deployment time, we use modularization for both indoor and outdoor data centers. The modularization allows for a high degree of customization, and thanks to our integration services, can be quickly deployed anywhere in the world. Second, we design and build both the Level 1 and Level 2 data center infrastructure. As a result, we can better optimize the cooling and significantly reduce the power usage efficiency with up to 15%. Thanks to our smart temperature solution called iCooling and the use of artificial intelligence, we can optimize the cooling and effectively reduce the power consumption. And third, we use tools and automation to significantly increase the efficiency of the data center operation and maintenance. Tools such as iPower, iManager, and iCooling, in combination with the artificial intelligence, makes the data center operation team up to 30% more efficient and reduces the need for additional engineering staff. We have already built more than 30 Tier 3 and Tier 4 data centers around the world, thanks to our team of Uptime certified engineers. Our team of over 300 data center experts has completed over 1,000 Level 1 and Level 2 data center projects, together with our partners and suppliers. Our industry solution integration service is a complete one-stop service that helps customers accelerate their digital transformation. While each digital transformation project has particular requirements and challenges, they require similar processes, procedures, and tools. Based on a platform that consists of over 15,000 test cases, over 100 tools, and over 120 test experts, we are able to verify the integration before it is executed. The integration methodologies, processes, and tools have been developed based on Huawei's own experience, industry standards, and many successful integration projects. The integration service includes the infrastructure, platform, data, and applications. The integration projects start off with the planning and consulting to understand the customer's specific situation and develop an integration plan that will meet their requirements. The integration process includes the detailed design, implementation, and verification. After the verification is completed, a handover takes place to the operation and maintenance service team. During the entire process, multiple methodologies, tools, experts and partners are involved to ensure the expected customer outcome. Next, I would like to show you our Cloud and Data Enablement Service. Cloud is an essential technology for digital transformation, and the success of a digital transformation therefore largely depends on a successful implementation of the cloud architecture. Most enterprises these days are migrating from legacy independent data centers to interconnected virtualized data centers and cloud solutions. During such a project, applications and data need to be migrated, which obviously needs to be done with great care and preparation. Based on many successful projects, Huawei has developed the processes, tools and capabilities to perform such migrations without any loss of data, minimal disruption, and in the shortest time possible. This is largely due to the full lifecycle service, which starts with the basic planning and architecture design. Without this crucial step, it is impossible to execute a successful migration project. The cloud integration and migration process relies on various Huawei-developed tools, such as iApp and iData, to ensure reliability and consistency. Eventually, after the project has been completed, the solution is handed over to the customer support and operation team to guarantee a long-term benefit for the customer. Among the many examples of successful cloud migration projects we have completed around the world, I would like to highlight the following two. The first is a hybrid cloud implementation for a social security institute in Latin America. Thanks to the cloud, the customer has reduced their TCO by 30% and can provision new services 50% faster. The second example is for an e-government cloud for a provincial government in China, which increased the resource utilization threefold. On this page, we show you our intelligent operation and maintenance service. With the acceleration of digital transformation, the complexity of the technology increases. Several years ago, operation and maintenance mainly needed to be concerned about the infrastructure to keep the business running. After that came the platforms, which requires different expertise, tools and processes. Current enterprise technologies include artificial intelligence, IoT, cloud, big data, 5G, and other complex technologies to offer new digital services to end customers. As a result, the operation and maintenance need to be aware of these digital services in order to ensure their availability and assure the ongoing success of the digital transformation. Huawei has developed a unified operation and maintenance platform called iMOC, which provides visualized service management, massive alarm handling, and ultra-fast fault demarcation. Besides for operation and maintenance, it is used for consulting, design, and on-site expert support. And thanks to the built-in artificial intelligence, it can quickly identify potential risks. This allows the operation to shift from passive reactive to active preventive, improving business continuity and operational efficiency. The intelligent operation and maintenance service is widely used in smart transportation, smart city, and smart energy projects. Digital transformation is not a one-time exercise. It is an ongoing process that continuously needs to be managed and enhanced. Without an efficient system, it is difficult to extract the maximum business value of the digital transformation process. Without the implementation of such a system for ongoing value creation, the process of digital transformation might slow down or even stop completely. Based on our digital operation support platform and ecosystem, we provide customers with one operation planning and design service, 3 major operation support services, plus several industry scenario-based solutions. This will help customers to continuously enhance the production assets and platforms and help industry customers achieve digital operation success. And talent is one of the foundations of any successful enterprise. Through training and certification, the competitiveness of enterprises in the digital area can be improved. Huawei's overall ICT talent development service includes three major aspects. Initially, the ICT talent development service will work with the customer to investigate the knowledge requirements and design a learning solution. The learning solution will include training from the following three aspects: technology training, industry training, and management training. The technology training courses are based upon industry-leading knowledge accumulated in the industry, an experienced team of trainers, and course development process, a complete lab environment, and multiple teaching methods. Besides technicians, enterprises also need engineers and consultants who don't just understand the technology, but also what goes on in their industry. Huawei Talent Development is focused on successful practices for various industries, such as government, transportation, finance, and energy. Through theory, hands-on practice, and case studies, Huawei combines talent cultivation experience with a strong faculty to help enterprise business personnel develop themselves further. With more than 30 years of management experience, Huawei has developed theoretical and practical courses to teach global best practices. It teaches enterprise managers how to face challenges such as business insight, strategic execution, and organizational collaboration, and to successfully address challenges such as digital transformation. And depending on their level, engineer, professional, or expert, students can achieve the important Huawei certification. Based on digital transformation, businesses and government rely more and more on technology to achieve growth and provide additional value to customers. Smart cities, smart campuses, smart transportation, e-government all require cloud solutions to deliver more complex services to end customers. In addition, the system is constantly changing with new applications, services, data migration, expansion, etc. Properly managing all these changes is not something that can be done just by people, no matter how experienced and knowledgeable they are. It requires tools and automation to complement the engineering staff, and therefore Huawei has developed Service Turbo Cloud. It is a one-stop service for engineers in multiple industries. It integrates 6 operation centers and includes more than 80 tools to increase efficiency. For instance, the planning and design tools can automate 60% of the planning and design activities. The integration, verification, and implementation tool can shorten the service rollout time by 20%. The migration tool ensures data migration with zero data loss. And the intelligent maintenance tool automatically identifies and processes 60% of customer network problems, automatically preventing service disruption. Service Turbo Cloud supports more than 100 scenarios. Typical scenarios include campus network planning and design, smart city integration verification, airport transportation integration, education campus SDN migration and reconstruction, financial data center migration, and network assurance during major events. Service Turbo Cloud has been used in more than 100,000 projects to ensure delivery quality and experience. Now, finally, I would like to share with you 2 examples of successful digital migration projects. In this airport project, Huawei provides end-to-end operation and maintenance services for digital transformation. First, Huawei helped the customer to reconstruct the traditional operation and maintenance model by optimizing organizations and processes to match the operation model of the digital airport. In addition, Huawei deployed a unified operation and maintenance platform to manage service applications based on 5 topics, helping the customer to quickly roll out new services and ensure the stable running of new services. In terms of proactive O&M, Huawei provided platform tools and shared its experience to help the customer implement proactive operation and maintenance in complex systems to predict and prevent faults. Huawei's end-to-end O&M service solution has shortened the fault location time from more than 1 day to 20 minutes, improved the availability of the entire system by 20%, and improved the operation and maintenance efficiency by more than 30%. This customer in the oil industry faced the following problems in digital transformation. First, their annual operation cost for the existing storage solution is very high. Second, the capacity and performance of their network equipment is unable to meet the demands of 10% annual business growth. And third, their network does not provide active disaster recovery. On top of the Huawei technology, we provided a variety of cloud and computing professional services, such as migration, disaster recovery, and backup implementation, maintenance, proactive support, planning and design, and implementation service. As a result, their performance improved 30%. TCO reduced 35%, the network availability improved up to 6 nines, and the disaster recovery switch-over success rate is 100%. Huawei Digital Enterprise Services is dedicated to customer success. Our services continuously evolve based on the evolving customer requirements. Through innovation and dedication, we aim to stay ahead of the industry and provide value-based services that help customers achieve their business outcomes. With many enterprises and governments implementing digital transformation, our services are well suited to help those customers accomplish their digital transformation and maximize the potential value of this transformation. Thanks to our openness, our partners and suppliers want to work with us to deliver lifecycle services. Thanks to our cooperation, we provide services that address the end-to-end needs of our customers. And thanks to the trust from our customers and partners, we are building more and better services that ensure the customer success, which is our highest honor. Thank you for joining this session and have a nice day.
Thank you, Hank, for this excellent presentation. Now we would like to welcome Mr. Lin Qingkang, who is the Director of the Operations and Management Department of the Shenzhen Airport. Mr. Lin will share with us his operations and management transformation experience. Welcome, Mr. Lin.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Lin Qingkang from Shenzhen Airport. Today I'm happy to have the opportunity to talk about digital transformation of OMN services and share our experience. I will cover 3 parts. First, I will briefly introduce Shenzhen Airport. Second, I will talk about intelligent OMN services of Shenzhen Airport. Third, I will talk about the outlook of Shenzhen Airport digital transformation. First of all, let me briefly introduce Shenzhen Airport. It went into operation in October 1991. Despite the pandemic in 2020, passenger traffic at Shenzhen Airport reached 38 million, ranking 3rd in China. Cargo and mail reached 1.4 million tons, ranking 4th in China. By 2020, we have launched more than 80 digital transformation projects, winning the world's Best Airport Award from ACI, Airport Council International, and the National Quality Benchmark Award for Best Digital Experience. Planning is the first step of digital transformation. Headed by Chairman of Shenzhen Airport Group, our team is highly aligned in strategy and action. Together with Huawei, we laid out plans on digital transformation. Business experts from various sectors help us strategize digital transformation, integrate planning, construction, and operation, and accelerate project implementation. Through the planning process, we charted out a blueprint for an intelligent airport. To put it simply, it includes 4 horizontal and 4 vertical areas. The 4 vertical areas are comprehensive security, comprehensive operations control, comprehensive services, and customer management system. The 4 horizontal ones are the terminal layer, the infrastructure layer, the platform layer, and the application layer. We built a cloud data center platform with Huawei, which includes a cloud platform, 5 common platforms, and an integrated platform. The entire infrastructure and common platform provide services to applications via the integrated platform. Based on the cloud data center platform, we've set up a single technical architecture which reduces implementation costs and enables rapid development of applications. Right from the start, we designed a unified OMN and a security management platform. While making business digital, we have also digitalized the OMN operations. The airport has more than 200 equipment rooms, 11 networks, more than 20,000 devices, more than 140 applications, and 40-plus service providers. It is a huge challenge for our OEM team of only 110-plus people. We face 6 challenges, namely too many products, complex architectures, inconsistent standards, capability issues, high risks, and collaboration problems. Now I'd like to share some of our intelligent OMM practices. We have built a preventive maintenance system with concepts, measures, and goals set in place. The first concept is comprehensive prevention, which moves assurance services more to the front end. The second one is quick handling of failures, mitigating the impact on services. Third, make continuous improvement to avoid repeated failures. In terms of goals, the first is to prevent major failures. The second is to reduce common faults. The third is to meet SLA on quick responses to failures. To realize these concepts and goals, we've developed 10 measures on organization, processes, and tools. First, we've built a 3-in-1 team. With in-house staff at the center, our team works closely with on-site outsourced staff and remote expert team. Second, we've adopted Huawei iMock professional tools. iMock can monitor systems and applications in real time, detect the running status of systems, and locate failures quickly. In terms of processes, by focusing on incident management, change management, and preventive maintenance, we've standardized our operations. We've also developed an assurance standard with 4 availability levels. The core production system is defined as level 1 with 99.99 availability and a maximum of 50 minutes downtime a year. Other production applications are defined as level 2 with 99.95 availability and a maximum of 4 hours downtime a year. Management applications are defined as level 3 with 99.9 availability and a maximum of 8 hours downtime a year. Our professional team follows the unified OMN standard. We've reconstructed the organization primarily based on front-end and back-end responsibilities, while also taking into account specialized functions and on-site support. The Intelligent Operations Center is responsible for monitoring and scheduling resources and ensuring implementation with follow-up measures. The front-end OMN team is assigned to different areas, offering responsive on-site services to customers. The back-end refers to our second-line OMN team divided into specialized teams. They carry out routine inspections and quickly respond to incidents. We identified 6 critical tasks from complex OMN businesses and found that 5 of them were preventive, and fault handling is the only one with a practical impact on services. We found that inspections and checks for potential risks should be done routinely, so we can detect problems in advance, quickly respond to problems, and make timely optimization. Efficient OMN services depend on tools. We need to realize full-stack monitoring to be able to quickly detect, locate, and handle failures. Specifically, we need to focus on 5 aspects, mainly monitoring, management, control, operation, and service. The first is about monitoring the running status of systems in real time. The second is the effective management of assets and configurations. The third is automated control. The fourth is the visualization of key metrics. The fifth is the adoption of ITIL tools to automatically trigger events and dispatch work orders. With integrated tools, we are able to cover all OMN items. We can cover not only infrastructure, but also digital platforms and system applications with full-stack monitoring ability. OMN tools must be capable of integrating professional OMN platforms, such as the network management platforms and cloud management platforms, to implement centralized monitoring. The tools should also have delivery capability, able to directly control OMN items and automate OMN operations. We've set up a unified OMN standard for system applications and realized the real-time monitoring and early warning of service flows and data flows. OMN tools can offer different views for different roles and extract themes and data based on scenarios. The tools can also automatically adapt to scenarios and manage running status of systems in a visible manner. By effectively combining organizations, processes, and tools, the availability of the application system went up from 97.4% to 100%. The professional tools have greatly saved human resources. Thanks to automated monitoring, fault response time is down from 10 minutes to 1 minute. The time to locate fault is down from 10 minutes to less than 3 minutes. Incident handling time is also down by 5 minutes. We have realized the SLA of fault handling. Finally, I'd like to share with you the outlook of Shenzhen Airport digital transformation. Digital transformation will support all of the 5 strategies on passengers, cargo, crew members, people, and intelligence. In addition to supporting the 4 comprehensive business domains of security, operation, control, service, and management, digital transformation will also facilitate the rapid development of logistics, transportation, and production processes, and build Shenzhen Airport into a world-class industry group. That's all for my sharing today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lin, for this excellent sharing of your experience. Next, we welcome Mr. Rashid Al-Ahmadi, Chief Operating Officer of InfraX of the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Mr. Al-Ahmadi will share with us their operation and maintenance best practices for digital transformation. Please welcome Mr. Al-Ahmadi.
Hello and welcome to Huawei Industrial Digital Transformation Conference. My name is Rashid Al-Ahmadi. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of InfraX, one of the digital DEWA subsidiaries under Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. As His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum said, the future belongs to those who can imagine it, design it, and execute it. In InfraX, we are providing state-of-the-art services and technology. We are the information and communication and technology arm of digital DEWA, where we focus on the digital value-added services, from the data centers to the customers. We own independent and super-fast fiber optic network that meets the 4th industrial revolution's applications and use cases. We are building our capability on top of DEWA's 50 years of operating mission-critical networks and infrastructure. At InfraX, we focus on 4 main categories of services: connectivity, Internet of Things, edge computing, and customized solutions. In our connectivity services, we focus on monetizing DEWA's fiber optic network and building our DWDM and IP network on top of the dark fiber available. We focus on providing point-to-point and point-to-multipoint connectivity with very low latency and high bandwidth, starting from 1 gig up to 100 gig, with diversity options and supporting that with 24/7 monitoring and performance management services. Using this infrastructure, we try to provide a high and reliable services and applications that meet our customer expectations and help in DEWA's digital transformation. With our backbone connectivity, we are connecting DEWA's data centers with very reliable and super fast network connectivity and with low latency services. Also, we are providing wired and wireless connectivity utilizing the latest technology available on the market. We are also supporting the digital transformation by providing our Wi-Fi managed services to the campuses and the people inside DEWA. All of this operation are supported with 24/7 operations managed with the support of Huawei to deliver the services in the reliable and the best manners that is expected by our customers. We work with our technology partner Huawei to provide a BOT model, building the network, operating the network, and then transferring it to InfraX. By working in this model, we were able to reduce the time to introduce the network and the services and ensure our operation reliability and capability in the fast manner. On the same time, we are working hand in hand with Huawei to improve the understanding and the knowledge from Huawei to our staff and employees to be able to take over this operation in the near future. We build a clear model in terms of operations with our partner Huawei that ensure our service level agreement and management in terms of the delivery of the services and the take-up time and the business continuity, where we have maintained a 99.99 uptime for our backbone, and we ensure that we are meeting our customer uptime and reliability when it comes to the SLA that we provide them, and we ensure that we have quarterly reports that reflect the health improvement and the performance of the network. This operation is supported by reliable and state-of-the-art systems, where we are managing the DWDM and the IP network through our operation center and having all the indicators available and visible to all the staff and the management 24/7. This operation is also supported by CCTV monitoring for our assets and infrastructure available, and to ensure that we have the physical security measurements and the network security measurement on place. These services are being delivered in very automated and structured way, where we ensure the standardization of our service portfolio, the delivery, the operation, and the customer relation when it comes to incident management and reporting. This will ensure that we have a standard way to approach our customers and ensure that we are providing the expected experience when it comes to not only the services but the human interaction between our customers and our operations. This is only the beginning of our journey with Huawei, and we are looking forward to improve our operation and enhance our capability by utilizing the latest technologies and services provided by our partner. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you enjoy this session, and I wish you a very successful event.
Thank you, Mr. Al-Ahmadi, for this excellent presentation. And for the final presentation of this session, we welcome Mr. Zhang Tong, who is the Director of Huawei's Enterprise Customer Support and Industry Operations and Maintenance Service Department. Mr. Zhang will introduce to you the upgraded service solution, Smart NOS 2.0. Welcome, Mr. Zhang.
Hi, everyone. I'm Nick Zhang from Customer Support and Industry OEM Service Department of Huawei Enterprise Business Group. Development of digital services, massive growth of devices, and rapid iteration of application pose higher requirements on data center, O&M, and agile delivery. In simple terms, these requirements are anytime assurance, agile delivery, and automated and virtualized O&M and systematic talent training. In order to keep leading front-end services, advise together with financial customers and help financial customers achieve digital transformation with scenario-based solution, Huawei has proposed the concept of Industry Insider. Services, it's an organic integration of organizations, processes, and platforms. It is a link among customers, partners, and Huawei resources. Systematic talent training and supply capabilities help Huawei enable customers' technical organizations to continuously improve their capabilities. How can we cope with these challenges? First, let's look at the requirement of bank core production system for high-quality services. Huawei's original intention of developing Smart NOS is to provide a customer with a high-quality service experiences. Based on the new positioning of enterprise services, Huawei have developed Smart NOS to meet financial customers' requirements. Huawei is dedicated to build intelligent, reliable, and secure financial networks and improving O&M efficiency and network security so that financial services can be anytime and anywhere. Smart NOS helps build an AI-powered network with faster fault recovery and make the financial network more intelligent. The financial network scale and its management complexity increase as business develops. Therefore, we have to make the network more intelligent to deal with this situation. Huawei's AI-based network O&M solution can help customers detect faults in seconds and recover faults in minutes. Telemetry collects and analyzes data in real time to facilitate fault detection. Financial services are called always online services. Anytime assurance is needed. The annual interruption duration of some key services is no more than 5 minutes. Huawei plans and designs a deliverable, maintainable, and a highly scalable network from the underlying hardware to the upper layer software to meet financial customers' requirements on network capacity and quality. Huawei built a three-dimensional security system to make financial networks safer. In the financial industry, even a minor risk can lead to immeasurable losses. Therefore, it's crucial to protect financial network security. Huawei assesses risk from multiple dimensions to use big data to analyze correlation between single-point exception to identify security threats and attacks. In comprehensive threat detection based on logs, events, and data, Huawei implements network-wide collaborative defense based on the border gateway, terminals, and clouds, as well as network-wide visibility based on real-time secure and source tracing. Banks' core production system require high-quality services. This system requires security, controllability, and reliability to ensure service continuity and elastic scaling and rapid deployment to enable agile service innovation. The performance of these systems need to be constantly optimized so that they can provide optimal services anytime. We also expect these systems to be autonomous and capable of self-healing when the fault happens to achieve intelligent O&M. In general, customers' core production system need secure, reliable, professional, and intelligent services. To this end, Huawei has been customer-centric and developed Smart NOS. Smart NOS delivers high-quality services, ensuring customer satisfaction. The financial industry has increasingly demanding requirements for scientific and technological information, and the distributed architecture system is becoming more and more complex. Financial information centers are facing challenges in making their information system more usable, more secure, and more reliable, as well as improving system O&M to better support business. Huawei's high-quality services system architecture help resolve these problems. Smart NOS is developed based on Huawei's years of experience and best practice in financial industry, include advanced O&M services for core services and data centers of customer. Smart Node shifts from the passive response to proactive services and gradually develop towards intelligent O&M. Huawei has been developing and optimizing AI-driven intelligent network analysis tools and DME O&M tools to provide better services. Huawei will continue to cultivate financial O&M talent to support the digital transformation of financial industry. Huawei will continue to work with excellent partners to help customers complete digital transformation. Now, more and more customers adopt a network architecture with multi-active data centers. Huawei builds sustainable and reliable service organizations focused on customer requirements to provide professional and considerate services. Huawei built a nationwide service capability system. Huawei builds capabilities by areas and established an operating resource support system consisting of business departments, areas, and rep offices to provide the service anytime and anywhere. Huawei focused on data centers and established service team consisting of key account services managers and core architects. Huawei teams are fully integrated with customer and partner teams to provide high-quality end-to-end services. Primary support improves the service experience with dedicated delivery teams. Faster experiences are provided for customers across three fault handling services. 1. Faster response of VIP tech. Dedicated hotlines and experts contacts are provided to help quickly understand and handle problems. Faster fault recovery in troubleshooting. Special spare parts preparations ensure faster hardware replacement. An expert team is quickly set up to support root cause analysis when a fault happens. Faster problem resolution by field engineer. Dedicated engineers are assigned to customer sites to quickly handle problem. The experience is accumulated and scenario-based contingency plans are developed. Primary O&M helps customers build a healthy and reliable network with zero risks and standard configurations. First, software version management helps to identify version risks, formulate joint version policies with customers, and recommend the optimal version. Second, EOX management helps customers learn about the lifecycle state of equipment and boards on the live network in the timely manner so that customers can formulate evolution measures in time. Third, configuration compliance check help customers build a stand system to increase the network standardization. Fourth, healthy assessment use intelligent tools to monitor network status and traffic status, and provide a reliable foundation and assure network O&M and evolution based on the expert experience. Fifth, change management provide comprehensive solution verification to safeguard customer major business changes during the digital transformation. Statistics shows that every year, large state-owned banks deploy thousands of new networks and tens of thousands of new servers. After network construction, service increase year by year, and the resources are expanded continuously. New service drive the network architecture to change constantly. The original network can no longer meet future service development needs. The network evolution and optimization services can help resolve problems in network architecture, capacity, and performance based on the evolution, consulting, architecture design, and the solution verification. It supports smoothly architecture evolution, improves network quality, and optimizes the user experience. Intelligent network O&M. 85% of network faults are detected only after service complaints are received. It's taken an average of 76 minutes to locate a fault, which greatly affects services. With the rapid evolution of new technology, the O&M of financial industry changed from the sustainable ops to agile DevOps based on the tools and the platform, and then to intelligent AI ops that is AI-powered and network-aware. Huawei provides the 135 troubleshooting solution for financial scenarios that is detecting the faults in 1 minute, locating faults in 3 minutes, and rectifying faults in 5 minutes. Fault detection. Telemetry collects global information in seconds in real time. The network healthy module helps quickly detect the faults in the minutes, changing passive OM to the proactive OM. Fault locating, a network knowledge graph, is drawn using AI algorithms, helping locate the root cause of a fault within 3 minutes. Fault recovery solution is intelligently recommended and evaluate, help the recover faults automatically within the 5 minutes. That is all I share today to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang, for this wonderful introduction. Services are a critical part of achieving digital transformation and for maximizing the long-term value of your digital transformation. Huawei Digital Services helps customers achieve their digital transformation goals, and we look forward to working with you and our partners on a bright, successful, and digital future.